PlayStation 1. PlayStation 1 greatly changed the world of gaming. Before it, games were sold on expensive cartridges, but Sony adopted CD discs with a capacity of 700 megabytes, which made games cheaper, easier to produce, and allowed for larger experiences. Iconic games appeared such as Crash Bandicoot, Tomb Raider, and Final Fantasy VII. It had features like the widespread use of 3D games and a completely new experience. But on the other hand, it suffered from long loading times, and the discs scratched easily. Most famous versions, the original gray PS1 and the small PS1. PlayStation 2. With the second generation, a console came that achieved a world record with over 155 million units sold. It wasn't just a gaming device, but also a DVD player, which made it found in almost every home. Among the most famous games, Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas, Shadow of the Colossus, and God of War. It had features like playing PS1 games and supporting movies, but on the other hand, it sometimes suffered from slowness or freezing in some games, in addition to the widespread issue of piracy. Most famous versions, the original large PS2 and the PS2 Slim. PlayStation 3. With the PS3, we entered the era of high definition. The console used Blu-ray discs with large capacity and delivered a true full HD experience for the first time. Powerful games appeared such as The Last of Us, Uncharted 2, Among Thieves, and Metal Gear Solid 4, Guns of the Patriots. It had features like being both a gaming console and a Blu-ray movie player at the same time. But on the other hand, its price was high at launch, $600, and game development was difficult for developers. Most famous versions, PS3 Fat and PS3 Slim. PlayStation 4. Sony came back strongly with the PS4 after major improvements. The console became easier for developers, leading to better games and more stable performance. Among the most notable games, God of War, Marvel's Spider-Man, and Horizon Zero Dawn. It had features like the share button to record and share moments, and PS4 Pro support for 4K resolution, but on the other hand, some players complained about the loud fan noise. Most famous versions, PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS4 Pro. PlayStation 5. With the PS5, speed became a key factor thanks to a very fast SSD, which greatly reduced loading times. It also supported modern technologies such as ray tracing and 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second. It had features like an advanced controller experience through the DualSense, adaptive triggers and haptic feedback, and very high speed. But on the other hand, its size was very large. Game prices rose to $70, and it suffered from device shortages in the first 2 years. Most famous versions, the disc version and the digital edition. PlayStation 6. 6th generation PS6, it is expected that its power will reach 3 times the power of the PS5, with support for 8K and 120 frames per second and instant loading speeds. But on the other hand, its price may be more than $750. From PS1 to PS6, 30 years of evolution. What was your first console? Subscribe and peace.